Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 24th, 2020, and we're going to talk about Alibaba stock and to see whether or not if this particular product is a buy right here, right now, where the location is, and is it possible to see this particular market make all-time highs. So before I get started in that video analysis, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel before you go, and then hit that bell notification because you definitely want to be notified whenever we upload our video content to this particular platform. You do not want to miss out on what the market is doing in the stock market. So now we're going to go ahead and give you all a very quick video update into the market for Alibaba. You guys can see that the market generally is giving us some indications of market strength. You know, the market on a daily perspective is definitely showing us that this stock is still anticipated to continuously move higher in price. Now, the question is, you guys can see already in the right side of my screen in the pre-market that Alibaba is already up $272.72. So it already made all-time highs into this particular space. Now, can it continue is the question that we're going to grasp over the next couple of days, because definitely you can see here that Alibaba is in a major uptrend. I mean, this is the general trend that the market in Alibaba is currently going through. And you can see a little bit better on the weekly time frame that Alibaba is in a very decent movement higher in price. You can see that. Now, if I were to draw another line, you guys can see here that the overall market is definitely giving us a bigger trend of higher price. So yes, the market in Alibaba in long term still looks to continue to move higher, but we are trading so far away from the overall trend that when this market actually cracks to the downside, it's going to be severe. It's going to be massive in the terms of percentage, because we are trading so far away from this overall trend. But you know what? You're going to see a lot of news articles, a lot of people speaking on how the market in Alibaba has dropped massively. So like if we were to go lower from where we are right now, just for the market in Alibaba to hit $230, it's a 13% market move from right now. 20%, 21% for the market to go to $210. But look, the market, even if it was to come all the way back down to $210, it is still trending higher because the market is still trading above this longer term ascending line. So keep that in mind as we continue to see this market in Alibaba trade. So I just wanted to show you that first of all in Alibaba. So this is one of the main reasons why the market in Alibaba is going to continue in the foreseeable future, the market move higher in price. It's because over the last 7 weeks, the market in Alibaba has just consolidated. Now we're already seeing the market make all-time highs in this particular space. So you need to be careful. And the reason is there's no way behind the market that we can utilize to try to determine where restriction is going to be. So it's kind of like you walk in blind because you have no guide, no place to see where the restriction into the market in Alibaba is going to go. So in those particular situations, from our standpoint, this is not a feasible option to look into the market in Alibaba to buy. We need to wait until the market trapper shows us where that restriction level will be. And right now, it hasn't been determined. Now, there are those who will take that opportunity to go in and jump in and see where the market in Alibaba is going to go. Where will the high come in at? And it's undetermined. The things that I can just show you is that the market in Alibaba is still giving us some indications of market strength. I mean, I have already drawn 2 lines on this particular chart showing you that the market in Alibaba is exhibiting market strength right now. But to state and to say to come into the market right now, from my opinion, is asinine. So when you look at Alibaba on the monthly chart, we're looking definitely at some market strength in the space. So depending on your time frame and your time preference will also make an understanding as to whether or not this market is a buy or not. Because from the chart, from the multiple time frames that we have seen already on this video, Alibaba is giving us strength. Now, how high will the market go? That's your idea. Where do you think the market in Alibaba is going to go? Where do you think the high is going to be at? Because right now, the market high, pre-market, is at $272.72. There is strength here in Alibaba. So 7 more days for the month of August will be concluded. And if we close at the high of this monthly bar in Alibaba, all-time highs will continue to go on into this market. I'm just telling you that right now. But we need to wait 7 more days. So yeah, the forecast for us is for this market in Alibaba to continue to exhibit strength. Okay. And that's what we're going to place. We're going to play this on the daily time frame, right? But I cannot give you a TP area. Can't do it because we have no idea to show where the market highs is going to come in at. So anywhere in this area would be a great TP area, anywhere in the green. Okay. So forecast is simply to show you that the market in Alibaba is giving us strength. You guys can already see we're making all-time highs in the pre-market. Now, can it be sustained as we see the market open for this week? From the monthly time frame and then from the weekly time frame, yes, that looks to be the case. And also, I wanted to show you, so long as this market in Alibaba trades above 260 and 255, movement higher is going to be in play. Now, that's our forecast. What is yours? Is this market in Alibaba still a buy? And what would be your TP area for Alibaba? For us, anywhere in the market green on our forecast would be TP. Okay. But for the long term, so like maybe next week we can have, where do you see the market in Alibaba going? Do you see it making continual all-time highs, or are we going to finally see some breakage to the downside and movement lower? Leave us your comment and your opinion with a comment in the comment section. Now make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will talk to you all on the next one.